morning, folks. Sunday, Glenn here. Just taking a wee trip down to the PMG Autocare Cars and Coffee morning. I'm fashionably late as usual. Just trying to get stuff sorted out. This mount's very shaky. Bought this new mount and it's very big, sturdy, but it seems that my attachment for my camera is the weak link, and you're shaking about there like a mad thing, especially when this car is polybushed and Bilstein shocks and IBAC springs doesn't help. But I can't hold you and drive at the same time, so on we go, heading up to Belfast now. See who's about, see what's about. Usually some very nice cars come through PMG Autocare. We've got some very good customer base. Yeah, so let's go see what's about. So there we go, guys. Very cold morning at the PMG Autocare Cars and Coffee morning. Some really nice cars there. The McLaren especially, that's lovely. I overheard the guys actually saying the owner thought it was white when he bought it, but when they took the cover off it, it's this crazy sort of baby blue pearl through it. It's really stunning. I hope it comes out well in the video, and that the colour comes out. Other nice cars, just so many nice cars there, really was. I loved Andy from RMS, his Lotus. That's a stunning car. Really nice colour. Love the red leather interior too. It really sort of contrasts well. I was going to take a spin now to the Kyrgyzstan. There's a track skills day on at Kyrgyzstan Race Circuit, County Down there, but the weather it's really bad. It's really cold. Talk of a couple of guys gone down from here, but again, they're not sure. The weather's not great. There probably won't be a good turnout, but listen, we'll get to a track day very soon. I'm hoping to take the Saab project down to the track, see how it goes, give it a good test and that. So don't worry, there will be track days coming up soon this year. But from PMG Autocare on a very wet and cold Sunday, here's the next time. Folks, don't forget to hold her flat. Take it easy.